API for background image cleaner. You can say that a background image cleaner. So this is the FastAPI doc mode, you know, as well as. So we have authorization as well as the working procedure. So I will show you how it actually working, and then we will go to the code. So there is the authorize option. Here we have to paste our key. This is my key. This is in the form of .env because I am this time I am on my local host. So let's authorize and close here. Then go to try it out. Choose file. I will give you choose a real photo of something which can correlate. This is my image of a very background. Then execute it, wait for some time, and you will be ready to download your image without a background. So let's see its download option, and let me download it. Now it's open. Now you can see a background has been cleaned completely. This is the background cleaned image, and as I have already shown you, the image was full. So now let's go to the screen and see what actually we have coded in this. So this is a background folder. First let me show you the folder. Then in this there is a VNV, means a virtual environment, the env example, main.py, requirement text, and a test.py, which I was testing something. So we don't need this test.py as well as this .env example also. We don't need it because we have. So the API you have seen, this is in my this folder. Now let's go to see line by line code. So import IO, input output. It's not input output. It's you can say loading image in bytes. Import OS, you know, for OS. Let me show you my complete code. And so now FastAPI, we are using FastAPI because nowadays API developers and API engineer are getting good paying, and FastAPI responses for streaming responses, because we don't want to store images, because already the rembg, which is a library which is very heavy, use U2 model for clearing background, so it takes very high memory. So on a server we don't want to save that image before processing, so we are using a streaming response. API key security for authorization. Remove, this is a class in which helps to remove SlowAPI limiter. So we have already, this API is very much I will show you how actually we have done rate limiting. You have already seen what you can say authorization, how authorize, and I will show you without authorization how it will look, what error it's providing, and likewise. First we are here to see our code. So here we have a load.env for getting our API. Then the API name is in this form, because if you know curl, then if API key is not verified, HTTP exception 401, invalid API key, and a late limiter of 5 per minute. We have done this, means anyone can come and do anything for 5 times. Here you can see 5 per minute, and so on. If, and we have also made a identifier which help us to not get a txt or pdf file in our upload input, and likewise after the file is readed, it's in the form of png and jpg, the remove, and we will get the output. This line help us to download the image. And now if anything is wrong in this whole process, then something went wrong while processing. So this is a complete code, a very much develop, you can say it's ready to deploy, but today we will just see its feature. On the next video, in the next video I will show you how I deployed this on a real deployment platform. Now here we are. If I'm going to refresh it again, then if I'm going to authorize and I'm not authorizing, let's say just to drop it out, try it out and just go. I'm selecting the image again, anything, then the same image, open, and if you do this, so you can see no authenticated. Okay, so let's say authorize and put a random thing, authorize, it will say okay, close. Now execute. You can see invalid API key. In sense, our, you can say that our authorization is working. Now for making this my secret key, and now we are going to check is this our rate limiter is literally working? So let's count. It's first time we are using it. Under a minute we have to do 5 times, and when the sixth time come, let's see what it's a download option. Again we will execute. It's the second time we are doing this. Okay, then again it's 4 time, and we are going to this 5 times, and under a minute we have already done 5 times. Now next time it will show that you have reached, yes, rate limit exceeded. So this API helps this API have authentication, bearer token, as well as rate limiter. So it's a full edge ready to deploy API. Now in the next video I will show you how to deploy it safely, and how you can literally make such APIs. And if you enjoy watching the video and you get something knowledgeable which you can apply in your life, so subscribe our channel, like, and also comment if anything I have said wrong or you want something different video on particular topic.